Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 4 best Android emulators for PC that you can use to run your favorite Android apps and games right on your computer. Let's dive in. Android emulators let you experience mobile apps and games without needing a smartphone. Whether you're looking to play games, use apps, or test your own creations, an emulator is a great way to do all of that on your PC. First up, we've got BlueStacks. One of the most popular emulators out there, BlueStacks offers great performance and compatibility with a wide range of Android apps. It's user-friendly and comes with plenty of features like keyboard mapping for gaming, making it ideal for gamers and casual users alike. Plus, it's completely free to use. Next, we have Nox Player. Nox is another solid option for Android emulation on PC, known for its speed and smooth performance. It has tons of customization options, including the ability to change the emulator's resolution, making it a great choice if you want to tweak your experience. It's also free and supports keyboard, mouse, and gamepad controls. Old Player is another top contender. This emulator is focused on gaming, offering great graphics and support for the latest games like PUBG and Free Fire. It's optimized to run smoothly on low-end PCs, so if you're working with a budget system, Old Player could be the perfect fit for you. It's free and easy to install. Last, but not least, Emuplay. Known for its performance and stability, Emuplay supports a wide range of apps and games. It also has features like multiple instances, meaning you can run several apps at once, which is great for multitaskers. It's also free and supports both Intel and AMD processors. So there you have it, the top for Android emulators for PC. Whether you're gaming or just browsing apps, each of these emulators brings something unique to the table. Let me know in the comments which one you're using, or if you've tried any others that you recommend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this.